Hi, I'm Gibaud at Gibaud.com, and today I'm going to try to answer a really difficult question. What do I give as a gift to a photographer or videographer for Christmas or for whatever reason, okay? And very often when they ask you what do you want for Christmas, you don't even know what to tell. So this video is not just for you, it's also for a spouse, husband, wife, parents, kids, all that. So I give an idea of 10 accessories I think that would be great as a gift. So let's start. First of all, I've decided not to recommend any camera or any lenses because I think that the idea is to speak about accessories, and this is more the idea of this video than gear itself, like the stuff we use to make the picture itself. Okay, first thing, I think this is the mother of all needs we have, or the father of all needs we have in photography. Many people don't use it, but I think this is a great accessory, a great tool. Very often the main tool. This is a Lightmeter. There are so many models, so I would recommend two. The Sekonic L38X, which is also a flash meter. It is affordable. Lightmeter always sound really expensive, but this one is affordable, okay? And this is great, not too big. And then there is another one actually reviewed on my channel, leave you a link here, that is really a beast, I would say. This is the Sekonic L478 plus the spot meter accessory. It is a great tool. I really recommend it. I love it. It's not just for flash photography, natural light, but also for cinema and video. It is a great tool. I think it's worth getting it. Accessory number two, I presented it also on my channel. This is a color checker that will allow you to have the exact colors. Great profile. I've demoed it, showing that you could get exactly the same color, whether it was my iPhone or my Hasselblad or my Fujifilm or my Olympus or my Lumix or my Canon, well, my friend's Canon. We got everything the same color. So this is a great tool. It's not just for color, that also helps you get the right white balance. It is a fantastic accessory, and if you're serious about colors, this is the way to go, no doubt. Third accessory. Many people want filters. Normally they already have filters. They screw on a filter on the lens when they buy the camera. But there is a lot of people that contact me and say, Eric, I want to do landscape, I want to have square filters, rectangular filters, what do you recommend? Well, filter holders are expensive, but there is one I presented a couple of years ago. It's still on the market. It's a K&F Concept. This is a great filter holder that includes a polarizer, and you can put then square filter or rectangle filter, whether it's graded or reverse graded or plain ND filters. So this is a great product, completely recommendable. By the way, if you buy at K&F Concept, use my also add to the link I give you, use my code Eric10 and you get an extra 10% discount. So use it. Thank you. Then many people ask me for LED lights. Very often they already have flashes, but they want LED light for product, for portrait, or for ambient. I've presented many. So which one I think is the best balance between price, quality, all this? I would say the Zhiyun Molus X60 is a great little light, LED light. You can separate the battery. You can connect to DC power. So it's really great because you can actually use it full time if you want. The power is nice. It's RGB, so you can have or you use as a bicolor or you use it as RGB. It's a great little tool. I very often use it, so I love it. Completely recommendable. Then accessory number number 5. Well, many people say, what about the tripod? I've presented so many tripods, so it's so hard for me to pick one. So I decided to pick a top quality one, because if it's a special gift and you do want to spend a bit more than basic, but not ruin yourself either, I think there's one that is great. This is a Ulanzi F38. Actually presented it on my channel. Also presented its brother, the Zero it's called. I would say the problem with the Zero is that you don't have a quick release head, which is not a problem, but it's so practical to have the quick release of the tripod. So I would recommend the F38. Is carbon fiber. It's so compact. Every time I travel, I bring it with me. So completely recommendable. As we say in sport, half time. So let's speak about great things, like I've activated the member area of my YouTube channel. There I don't speak about gear, just about knowledge, photography, tuition, all this. So enjoy it. There's a join button and we are waiting for you. We're already several members there to help you bettering your photography knowledge. And by the way, I've got affiliated links in description. Please use them. That really helps me. If you use the links of K&F Concept and Luminar Neo with the code ERIC10, you get a 10% discount. But this week, Black Friday week, I don't know when you see the video, you get 20% with Luminar Neo. Still put ERIC10, but instead of 10%, you get 20% discount. So let's carry on. Thank you so much. Let's carry on. Accessory number 6. Yeah. Typical accessory is a camera bag, but most people already have a camera bag, so they want something different. So I thought, well, let's speak about a urban bag that you actually have a part for photography, a part for your clothes, your sandwich, whatever. So I think the Vandrd Prvk, I think it's called Prvk, I don't know you call that Prvk, sorry, Prvk, Vandrd Prvk, it exists from 21 to 41 liters. I actually have 31 liter, several colors. This is great. The look is really nice. Quality is really nice. Yeah, I think this is a beautiful gift. Then accessory number 7. Well, this is the typical accessory no one buys. But when you need it, you feel that you should have had it for years. I speak about a light stand. When you start doing flash photography indoor or studio, very often you start with the basic light stand. That's risky because the flash may fall on the floor or it may fall on someone and hurt the person. So you need something good. I don't speak about a small Calibrite you put on a small light stand. I speak about a decent a flash, like one I presented, like the Westcott FJ400, something like this. That weights has its own weight, and also it needs to be in balance, because if you put a modifier on it, a softbox, that's important to be in balance. Well, for me, the best I have is a Neewer light stand. It can go up to 3.20 meters. That's not the one I get out of my house and go traveling with it because it's massive. But when you are in a steady place, this is the light stand to have. This one has a boom, so you actually put the flash horizontally, balance it. Great product. The build is so stunning. I never thought Neewer was doing that great quality accessory. So for me, completely recommendable. Gift number 8, gift or self-gift number 8. Well, this is not a physical gift. This is something I presented a few weeks ago. I was so surprised because this is a software. A piece of software I was not convinced about a couple of years ago, but it has bettered so much that I now really like it. It is the Luminar Neo. By the way, right now with the Black Friday, you have an 84% discount, but if you use the code ERIC10, you get 10% discount. But during this week of Black Friday, I don't know when you see this, but this week when I publish the video, you get 20% with the code ERIC10. 20% discount. Of course, it doesn't add up 84 plus 20, but first they get you out the 84%, and then on this balance 20 extra percent. Okay, so instead of 79 euros discounted price, it goes down to 63.20. So it's a great price. Okay, Luminar Neo, completely recommendable. Then accessory number 9. Very often people ask me if I print my pictures. I always say no, because I speak about good quality, top quality prints. I send them to a laboratory to do it. I don't do it myself. But then I've got my fun printing, and my fun printing is my Instax Wide. It's called Instax Wide. This is that small. It's fantastic. You get picture like this. Okay, so I really like it. Like this. New York City here. Okay. And then you can use it as a souvenir. For example, my little daughter and her sister. And this is great. This is wide, as you can see. It's not square or it's not small. It's nice size. I think this is fun to print. to give away a picture, or then if you want to stick them on a cork board, something like this. I think this is a great little accessory. Fujifilm Instax Wide. Last one, number 10. This is probably my most surprising purchase this year. It is the DJI Neo. It's a small drone, it's fun, it's easy to use. I already had a drone, but I used this one because I think it's so fun, so easy to use. So there are 3 versions. The one is the basic one, just a drone and 1 battery. Then you have the Fly More combo. This is the one I recommend because you get 3 batteries and a remote control that you can place your smartphone on it. And then there's a more expensive one with Google, so you can fly if you were in the drone yourself, okay? But for me, the Fly More combo is the best option. So there could be so many more ideas, but I think with these 10 ones, it's easy to tell someone, yeah, for Christmas I want that, or for whatever, my birthday, whatever. So yeah, get any of them. Otherwise, invent yourself which one you would like, or put it in comment. So thank you. And by the way, I put the list of these links. I'll put the links of these products in the description. Please use them, that really helps me. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you feel it may interest other people, please share it on social networks. If you have not done it yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. The small button down here is a small bell. If you click on the bell, you will get notified when I upload a new video. My website, first, I've activated the member area of my YouTube channel. That's a great gift also. There, don't speak about gear, just speak about tuition, knowledge, tips, all that, photography tips, all that. So there's a join button just below. You're welcome if you come. And then I'll leave you my website, gibaud.com. If you have any question, can leave a comment below. Also leave you affiliated links. Please use them, that really helps me. And as I said before during the video, if you use the link of K&F Concept or Luminar Neo with the code ERIC10, you get a 10% discount. This week with Luminar Neo with ERIC10, you get 20% discount. Please use it and, well, enjoy it. Thank you so much. Also leave you my PayPal account in case you wanted to make a donation. Thank you very much for watching. Please take care of yourself and see you soon. Bye.